Hello world, dzień dobry, siema wszystkim. My name is Damian from The Monkeys and today I come specially for you to show you a few interesting things and talk a little bit about very interesting topics, what's going on now in Bali. In Uluwatu, South Bali, it's exactly Melasti Beach. It's beautiful, sunny, hot day here in Bali to compare to the last days when it was actually rainy and cloudy. Unfortunately, still I have to wear mask on the empty beach. That's rules. Nothing has changed in this case yet, and that's actually pretty sucks. But what I can do? There are some kids behind me. They also wear the mask. Yeah, some people, but yeah, they were. Anyway, the biggest tragic what's happened a few days ago. It's this one. That's a real tragic. If you maybe know already this place, that was the Karma Kandara Beach Club in Ungasan in Uluwatu. Unfortunately, a few days ago get completely burned to the ground. That's really sad what's happened. Literally nothing left except the metal thing and the concrete. Here was the restaurant, bar, everything just went. That was the beautiful bamboo construction of Karma Kandara Beach Club. Many of you probably been here. I've been also here many times. Last time, when you remember, maybe they used to sell, they was selling actually the coconuts for 100k per piece, which is in Bali is super extremely expensive. So I believe they wanna have money to rebuild this very quickly. And this is not the first time when they get burned. Actually, it's already second time. But at the same time, the new beach clubs are open in Bali at the same area, which is little bit, if you're gonna think too much about that. Anyway, that's how it looks on the beach. It's beautiful, not many people, and I'm gonna move to the destination where are people over there. We are close to the center of Melasti Beach, and quite many local people enjoying their time on the beach, swimming, so many kids, even some foreigners around, and there is the one beach club at the front. There is even patrol behind me checking if people wearing masks, so that's serious thing, guys, except you have a lot of money and you don't care if you stay here or you're gonna get deported. It's up to you. Anyway, here behind me, where is there so many people and this beautiful white statue, is the brand new beach club. It's called Catamaran. I wanted to go there inside to show you around. Unfortunately, there is like a minimum spend and the reservation, and also minimum spend is if you want to stay in the bar, you have to pay like 250, and if you want to have a table, like 1 million. So it's like totally pointless for me to go there by myself. Even with Winnie, maybe we can go there. If you can comment below if you would like to see deep inside. I will fly a little bit drone over there so you can see the perspective, how does it look like. And yeah, quite many local domestic people around. Also behind me on the top of the cliff that used to be the Banyan Tree, now is Jumani Hotel. I think it's private owned, no more franchise of the Banyan Tree. Banyan Tree was the corporate big group of the hotels chain. But yeah, for years since I live in Bali, this Melasti Beach was one of my favorite beaches in Bali so far. It was really beautiful, beautiful blue water. And I used to going to beach clubs like Karma Kandara, even was so expensive, or Sunday's Beach Club, but there was no minimum spend usually. Unfortunately, the new beach clubs was established just over there. They have a crazy amount of money to come just to minimum spend during the current situation, because still we have a quarantine and there is no official tourism back. So in my opinion, it's a little bit too ambitious. However, it's full house inside, full of local people. And as one of the ministers said, as Bali don't want to be any kind of cheap tourist destination anymore, gonna be expensive for rich people, and seems like everything is going exactly in the progress. This is a little bit disappointing in my opinion, but that's how it is. It could be great if we can reach 300 likes under this video, so big thumb up. That was special vlog for you. I hope so you enjoy, because you matter the most on my YouTube channel, and I will see you tomorrow.